right, here's a few different one. This is a Case hydraulic 444. It's a different. It's always nice to check out some of the different ones. Oh, look at the extra attachment thing they put on there. Look at that. That's really different, isn't it? Okay, then we have a Farmall. And we have a Cub Cadet 73. Alright, and this is the one I was getting at, Gibson. Seattle, Washington. Long mount color. Look at this one, ain't that something? Wow. Wisconsin.
That's basically what we have.
That's different. That's an old one. Look at that. Very different.
It's a plate. All it is a Cub Cadet with a square fender like we have. And they put a tricycle front end in there.
Very different.
Oh yeah, once I said I can make one.
The steerbox is still under there. All they do, they just bring the arm over here. They bend an arm.
So we could easily do that with ours. Same tractor.
That's a cool one.
Speedex.
Alright. Look at the other one. This one's all what? It's a wheel horse. Little old one, isn't it? Lawn Ranger. Alrighty. These are just a few that are really, really different than what I normally see. So I thought they were worthy of putting on a video for you. This is a Speedex. Another brand I never heard of. S19. Alright. Oh, look at this. You can tow it from the front. That's an extra added piece that somebody has added in there. Look at that. Isn't that different? See how the wheels are and everything. Speedex. Ha. See how that's shaped? Shaped completely different. That's for sure. Alright. Very different. I like those old time pedals. Oh look, and you can tow from the back too. Double towing. Very cool. Alright. Hope you enjoy me bringing you a few of these different ones. Be sure to sub me. Join me as a friend. We'll bring you some more. Whatever we find. Bye-bye now.